This video is going to show you how to download and save the goals worksheet PDF. I know that some students in class were having problems and it was not saving their work correctly. So I am on the Google Classroom and I'm on that assignment, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the goals worksheet form, the PDF form. Once I've clicked on that, I'm going to click on these three buttons over here where it says more actions, and I'm going to say open in new window. All that's going to do is it's going to open up another one of the same document, but now it allows me to download this document. So I'm going to click on this button here to download it. And it's going to pop down here at the bottom left, and I'm going to click on that. And once I do that, I can do a download again to save it where I want to save it and then complete it. Now, the issue that we are having with some students is when they were doing it and then they were answering the questions and they went to download and save it again, it was saving a blank document. And so what I'm going to have you do instead, I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to close this one. Now, this was the original one that I have open, and I'm going to go ahead and click on download again. This time though, when I go to open it, I'm going to click on the arrow here instead of clicking on this, and I'm going to go to show in folder. This is going to show me that download, and so here I can see my download, and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go to open with. And now when I go to open with, you can choose one of two of these. You can either choose Adobe Acrobat or you can choose a Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to just click on Microsoft Edge. That's what I tend to use. And now it opens it in Microsoft Edge. And when I look up here at the top right, I have this button that looks like a little disc with a pencil, and this is my Save As. I'm going to click on that to do a Save As. And then I like to save everything in a folder so it's easier for me to find. This was lesson 3. And remember, you want to save it with your last name, goals worksheet. And so I already have one in there. I'm just going to save over it. I'm going to press save and I'm going to say yes. Now, if I go and type in my answers, so I'm just going to put my name first. And then I'm going to click on save. I don't need to do save as again. I already have it saved, so I'm going to just click on save. Now, if I were to go and open up that document, so I'm going to find my folder, skills, SOAR, lesson 3, and then here is that document. Now it is saved correctly with my work already on there. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to go back to my Google Classroom and I need to upload. I can't show you that on mine because since I'm the teacher, it looks a little bit different, but you're going to click, it's going to be over here on the right when you click on the assignment, and it will say add a link or a file or create. You're going to click on that and then add your link. Okay, if you have any more questions or it's still not working for you, please make sure that you email me and let me know.